In this video, we'll talk about synthetic user monitoring. Let's look at a sample application that has UIs, APIs, made of microservices, maybe running on host, multi-cloud, hybrid environment, and is using a variety of services, maybe Kubernetes, message queues, databases, etc. What's the fastest way to get value? What's the fastest way to monitor this application? The answer is synthetic user. With synthetic user, we can monitor and baseline the application performance and availability. We can make sure your application is working even if there are no users on the system. With synthetic users, you can monitor your application even if your microservices are changing, your databases message queues are changing, or your deployment from host to hybrid to multi-cloud is changing. And it is the fastest way to get value. When you create a new synthetic monitor with New Relic, you have 4 options. Ping monitor, simple browser, which is a page load, scripted browser, which is a workflow in your browser, and an API test. You can run the synthetic user from a variety of geographical locations and from your data center, and run the synthetics on a schedule. This is our synthetics dashboard. Let's drill down to one of the synthetics. We can see the duration and availability of our synthetic checks. We can see performance timings. Notice a spike that happened earlier. We can go and look at results. Let's investigate a failure that happened. We can look at the browser logs, the script logs, as well as the waterfall view. Note the HTTP 500 for this page. We can have a look at the resource load to identify slow resources. Look at the failures page to troubleshoot failures. And go to the SLA tab to download SLA reports. You can obviously create and manage alerts for synthetics. As always, for the most accurate and updated information, please refer to the documentation. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.